Dysgu Cymraeg. Do you want to learn Welsh and use it at work? Well, now's your chance. Course 1, an online course for beginners. 10 units and 10 hours of work. You can do this at work, at home, or on the move. Course 2. You will learn lots quickly on this intensive Welsh course, and before you know it, you will be chatting away in Welsh. Course 3. A 5-day residential course to help you gain confidence and skills to use Welsh at work. You choose. There's something for everyone. For employers, we can run a workshop to discuss the options with you and advise you on the steps you can take to make your workplace more bilingual. For more information, please get in touch by email, phone, or via social media. Cer amdani. Give Welsh a go.